Hi everyone, it's me, Lauren Cadillac with Cadillac Law, and I am back with our series about property real estate exemptions in the state of Texas. This is a multi-part series, and I want you to make sure you see all of the videos and make sure you get all the exemptions that you qualify. Make sure you hit like or subscribe or both. Make sure you hit that bell, and then you'll get notifications when the next of this series pops up. As always, I am not creating an attorney-client relationship through this video, and none of anything I'm doing here is actually legal advice. I'm just telling you about knowledge. And on this topic in particular, it's actually new research for me. So, welcome. Today we're talking about an exemption for a community land trust. Now, I'm not ever going to need a community land trust exemption unless in my retirement I create a charity, and part of that charity is affordable housing. So the key with a community land trust is that you must be a tax-exempt organization under the Texas Business Organizations Code, which means you're going to be probably a 501(c)(3), you're a nonprofit, and the property, the real estate itself, must be owned by that nonprofit for the purposes of selling it or leasing it for low-income housing. So a community land trust is something that the government has created to incentivize charities to create low and affordable income housing. And it creates different types of tax breaks under the property code and under other sections of the code. And you can actually save a ton of money on your taxes if you're a community land trust, but the land must be owned by the trust must be a charitable organization, and the organization must only work in this space. They must do it exclusively for the sale and lease of real property for low and moderate income housing. So if you are a charity that is building low, moderate income housing, you definitely need to look at the community land trust exemption and see if that applies to you. Have a great day, guys. I hope this was informative, and we will be back with yet another exemption.